Are you facing problem from your package installer on Android? What's up everyone, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to fix package installer keeps stopping. But before we begin, I want you to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. The very first thing that you need to do is open up your phone settings, and from here, you just want to scroll down until you see your app settings. So go ahead and open up your app settings. But before we go any further, I want you to remind you to hit the like button on this video and subscribe to our channel as well. Don't forget to turn on the bell icon to get notified about our latest uploads as well. So once your app settings is open, all you have to do is tap on the top three lines, and then from here you are just going to make sure to show system apps. So once you show system apps, here you are just going to search for package installer and just tap on package installer right here. Head over to its storage, clear its data, and once you clear the data for your package installer permissions, just make sure that the notification is allowed as well. And from here, on the battery usage, make sure it's on unrestricted or optimized. And after doing all of this, force stop the app once and then give your phone a quick restart. After doing all of this, your problem should be fixed. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you on the next one.